This is the mind-shattering moment you have been waiting for. Gemini Robotics 2 just unveiled three next-generation capabilities that will forever alter the world of physical machines. And at the exact same time, ByteDance launched C-Dance 2.5, handing creators an insane new video generation superpower. This is not a routine update. It is a colossal strong, embodied intelligence and multimodal storytelling that has never been witnessed before. In this entire narrative, we will not merely relay news but will place the deep truth before you that will form the bedrock of tomorrow. Get ready because this 9-minute journey will tear through the curtains of your mind. Within the past few hours, Google DeepMind's demonstration with the humanoid robot Apollo was anything but a simple demo. It was a declaration of full bodily awareness, where the robot read the calendar, understood the placement of every item, and orchestrated whole body motion across 42 degrees of freedom to pack sports gear. This was the first massive explosion that proved absolute bodily coordination is now a living reality. Imagine a machine that not only thinks but moves every single finger, joint, and step with the same fluidity as a master human performer. This is the first big secret of Gemini Robotics 2. But the story does not end here because the second capabilities shattered every known engineering boundary. The very same robot tracked a tote bag in mid-air using 5-fingered 22 degree of freedom hands, picked it up flawlessly without a single jitter, and placed it on the table. This was not ordinary dexterity. It was concrete proof the robots are now brushing against the edges of human finesse. Then came the command to tidy the garage and return all tools to their kit. And the robot completed the job by making hundreds of consecutive decisions over several minutes, entirely free from any human intervention. It is comprehends the lifespan of each task, meaning a decision level consciousness has already crystallized. Then arrived the third and perhaps most frightening yet beautiful twist: two completely different robots, Apollo and Joe, worked in unison. One precisely organized the tools while the other handled the heavy equipment. This was the first time full-scale multi-robot collaboration proved that the factories and households of the future will be run not by a single robot but by orchestrated teams of them. At the end, Apollo itself said to give dog credit, a sentence that proves machine consciousness has started acknowledging the other. These robots are now autonomously trying bow knots, zipping packets shut, and turning on light bulbs. To make all these skills possible, fewer than 200 human movement demos were used per skill. The learning velocity is utterly explosive, and the single most shocking revelation is that all these actions were fully autonomous. With zero hidden engineers pulling strings behind the curtain, general purpose robots have officially landed. The only remaining gap is that their pacing is still slower than a human, yet our deep intelligence indicates that by 2028 or 2029 these machines will outpace human speed by multiples. Now freeze and blast forward to the second colossal headline. ByteDance has unleashed C-Dance 2.5, and this is not an upgrade that simply extends video length. It is a creative engine carrying 8 devastating features. The very first feature is duration, where you can now generate a complete mini narrative of up to 30 seconds in a single pass, complete with setup, climax, and resolution. Then comes multi-round extension, where you keep appending clip after clip and the model holds character consistency, environment, and story pacing together without breaking. This is the creative freedom that storytellers have been craving for years. But the real master weapon is multimodal referencing. You can now feed the model up to 30 images, 10 video clips, and 10 audio clips are references in a single generation. This is exactly why multi-character scenes maintain rock solid face and voice stability throughout. On top of that, clever referencing has arrived, allowing creators to define camera angles and character poses using bare textureless 3-dimension models. Now a creator will build a raw structural block in, and the AI will transform it into photorealistic footage. Furthermore, timestamp level editing has obliterated all the old workflows. You can now correct camera movement or a character specific action at a pinpointed second without regenerating the entire clip. This is a precision standard that even stuns professional editors. Advanced tools such as green screen background replacement and camera perspective editing are also live, letting you reshoot a scene from a different angle without touching the actor's performance. And the 80th feature is industrial reach, where the model can already generate educational content, synthetic training data for robotics, factory simulations, and extremely rare long tail weather scenarios for autonomous vehicle testing. All of this is available right now on Gming AI Doubao Pro, with API access rolling out imminently. Yet here is the blazing inconvenient truth nobody is telling you. At the velocity where physical robotics and generative AI are now intersecting, that future in which machines generate video to train robots and robots bring video stories to life inside the physical world is just a matter of a few short years away. Anyone who ignores this convergence will be thrown straight into the dustbin of history. If you have not already subscribed to the AI Revolution channel, smash that red button instantly, set the bell icon to all, and you absolutely must like and share. In the very next episode, we will crack open an even darker secret that will fundamentally alter your current way to thinking. Join the frontier of AI revolution.